Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. If you are looking to add highlights to your Insta but don't want to post them as a story, so I'm going to show you two different ways to do that. But just make sure to watch this video until the very end because this process might be a bit too complicated for some of you guys. And if you skip certain parts of the video, you might not get desired outcome. So without any further delay, let's jump right in. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up your Instagram application on your phone. You actually have to post a story to do this, but we are going to tweak some settings so that no one can see our story. So let's go ahead and add a story. I'm simply going to tap on your story. So when you are on the screen, what you have to do is to tap on this setting icon at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on story. Now tap on hide story from and then select all your followers. Basically, we are going to hide the story from all of the people from the list so that no one can see this. This process can be complicated if you have thousands of followers, but later on, I will show you another way to add highlights without posting it as a story. So go back and tap on done. Now I'm going to pick something random to add on story. It will take a couple of seconds to add post. Once it's posted, then I can open it up. And now I can simply tap on highlight to add this to my highlights. Then you have to name this highlight. So after you have done this process, you have to go back and hide that people for the future stories. So this will only show up as a highlight and nobody will know you added this as a story. So now for the second method, tap on your story and once you are on the screen, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on story and then tap on close friends. Once you are on the screen, search for a specific account you want to show your story of. If you have multiple accounts, this method is best for you. Select just one single account. I'm simply going to select an account that I have access to. So this is me. Now tap on done. Let's go back and select a picture to add on story. Now tap on close friends and it will add the story on close friends. Only you can see the posted story because the account that you selected is also you. Once it posted, tap on highlight and add a name to it. So that's it for the tutorial. If you have any question about this process, just let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and for more tutorial videos like this one, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.